Communities across northwestern France have been racing to prepare for possible flooding as Storm Ciaran rolls across the region. Several areas have been put on alert with heavy downpours and high winds expected between Wednesday and Thursday. In some places, gales are predicted to reach up to 170 kilometers per hour.
Risque d'inondation, bien sûr, je veux dire, même si elle est légère, puisqu'on voit que bon, la pente n'est pas là, mais ça va très très vite. Mais malheureusement, contre l'eau, il n'y a pas grand-chose à faire et nous sommes vraiment impuissants. Le plus que l'on peut faire, en tout cas, il faut tout essayer.
Parts of the UK and Ireland have already been lashed by the extreme weather system, with the town of Newry inundated after a swollen river and a canal burst their banks. The Netherlands, Belgium and other northern European countries are braced for similarly harsh conditions. It comes less than 2 weeks after Storm Babette claimed 5 lives in the UK.